Good morning and welcome back. We are leaving Fish Lake Recreation Site / Campground and heading up toward the top of Steen Mountain Loop Road. I think the King's Gorge Overlook is the first vista point we stop at. Oh, we have one more campground to drive through though before we get there. Let's see what elevation we're at on my app. Just realized I can do that. So we are at 7,383 feet. We're 150 feet higher than where I camped last night. It's still 42 degrees. So the road I read goes up to 9,700 feet if it's correct. So we got a lot of climbing to do yet. Yeah, I'm super happy about where I stayed. Wow, look at this view. This is incredible. So when you get to the top, a couple of the viewpoints remind me of Mount Laguna in San Diego County when you look off into the desert. But there's also one that is a glacial carved valley that looks nothing like a desert. It's the first viewpoint we go to. It looks like something out of Alaska. Oh my god, those are bad. I felt things and everything felt tight last night from driving on these roads, so that's good. I mean, I thought they like over-engineered how many brackets and screws and nuts and bolts they put on, but I totally see why now because of roads like this. You want to make sure this stuff doesn't come loose. It's not going to. It's too bad there's not more hiking trails out here. It is pretty rugged, and I think there is some private land along the way, it looks like. It's not all owned by the government, so it might be hard to put trails in. But if you could like hike the loop road on a trail, you know, that would be pretty neat. Maybe they figure people will walk on the road, but that's not fun. I did that in Denali National Park. I took the bus ride to the end and hiked like 15-20 miles back to the east and got on the last bus, you know, I could hop on to get back to the parking lot. It was, you know, it was all right, but it wasn't the best. Luckily on that road there's not a lot of traffic because it was bus only on the end. I mean, this road you would just get constant dust. It doesn't seem like we're that high at elevation. It's hard to believe we're 7,200 feet. Huh. I don't know if that guy's cleaning out a culvert or what. Oh, he's putting in posts. He has a bunch of bags of Quikrete in the back of his truck, it looked like. So that's some private land on the left. I guess that's why he has an awesome fence. Wow, look at that view. Oh my gosh. How neat is that? I can't tell where we're going yet. I mean, we got a ways to go, I think. still have cell service too, which is amazing. Oh, Verizon does. Actually, I lost it in the valley. And I did not have cell service at that Fish Lake campground, it looks like. Because I tried to send a text photo, it did not go through. So basically, if you want cell service camping on the Loop Road, I think you got to camp at Lily Lake. It's a good spot to stop too. Wow, I'm looking down to my right. It's just full of aspen trees. Oh, I have to stop here and get some video for you if I can. Don't really have a good spot to stop. I'm sure I'll find a place. I don't want to stop on this blind corner. Wow, that's amazing though. I don't know if I've ever seen this many aspen trees in one place. Except maybe in Colorado. Oh, here's Jackman Park. So this is a recreation site. Tent camping recommended. So we will drive through this real quick. And this is our last campground before you get to the viewpoints. Oh wow, look at that hawk. And these trees are changing already. Wow. Aspen trees are turning yellow. So pretty. Oh, no horses in campground. So this, they said tent camping recommended, so this is probably a nice quiet campground. There's no trailers or big rowdy groups of people. I shouldn't say rowdy, I would say boisterous. So this is $8 a night also. And we're gonna check out what's down the road here. Hopefully there's a spot to turn around. Oh wow, this might only have 2 spots. Or no, never mind. This is the spot. Oh, there's lots of people here. Wow, so there's not very many campgrounds here. And we need to turn around. There's like 3 or 4 campgrounds, that's it. And no cell service at all. This is a tiny campground. Oh, there's 5 campgrounds. 5 camping spots, it looks like. Sign said 4 and I was in 5 when I turned around. So that would kind of suck to park in that, get that last camping spot, then have people turning around in your spot all night. Not be fun. Yeah, I don't really care for this campground either. Not my favorite. that was a nice find, the Lily Lake Campground. I don't think I've ever seen a primitive, it's probably the first primitive campground I've ever come across that had cell service, like really good cell service. And it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. I don't know why more people didn't stay there, honestly. I mean, it's a great spot. But we're gonna end this video. That was Fish Lake to what's the name of this place? Fish Lake to Jackman Park recreation site where they have tent camping. Thanks for watching.